Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Weekends play a very important role in deciding our moods for the coming week. I dedicate some specific chores for the weekend, for example changing the bed linens, some exclusive cooking, the regular day-to-day chores, one deep cleaning task and a lot of quality time with the family. I have compiled all of that in this video, so let's get started. I change the bed linen every weekend. This is one of those chores that I love to do. A fresh bedspread acts as an immediate mood uplifter to me. The clean and tidy bed simply changes the entire tone of the bedroom. Do you feel the same? Do let me know in the comment section. I love to try out new recipes in my kitchen, and when it's a weekend, it has to be a little extra special. I try to be mindful of my cooking and eating habits while also taking care of the taste buds क्योंकि हमारे लिए स्वाद तो भाई ज़रूरी है. These days I'm also into learning new cuisines from different states and countries, and when it turns out good, it fills me with immense joy. But undoubtedly, I do fail a lot of times. I'll surely share those recipes with all of you someday. Do let me know what did you cook for this weekend. Trying to finish the deep cleaning chores all at once can be a pain. So taking up and accomplishing one such task during the weekend leaves you with a sense of achievement for the entire week. This way you save yourself from rushing at the last moment right before a function, festival or a guest's visit. This sofa badly needed my attention, and all it took me is barely an hour or so from my weekend to bring it back to its condition. I would like to add here about cleaning and organizing the light colored upholstered or fabric sofas. No doubt they require some extra care and maintenance. So you even hear a lot of people say light color के furnitures, curtains and bed sheets मत लो, बहुत जल्दी गंदे हो जाते हैं. The logic is गंदे तो दोनों हो जाते हैं, just that light color में गंदगी दिखाई जल्दी देती है. Let's consider the positive part here. You get a reality check on time. Again, cleaning the sofas, bed sheets, curtains frequently keeps your home hygienic. Here's some extra tip to make your life easy. Spray your favorite perfume on the sofa fabric once you have cleaned it thoroughly. This will retain the smell for quite a few hours and give you a decent smelling room. There are so many sofa covers available out there in the market. Make a good use of it and help yourself from the hassle of cleaning the sofa upholstery very frequently. If you don't want to go for the usual sofa covers, you can always opt for the other two options, that are sofa throws and the fitted sofa covers. Both look really awesome. I am a sofa throw kind of a person always. I bought this one from Amazon and have been using this for 6 months now, and it's going all great. Do let me know how did you like the new look of my sofa. I wish that is all it took. Just a snap. Taking care of regular chores is as important as cooking. Such chores need a daily attention regardless of the depth of disliking you carry towards them. Sparing just 15 minutes on such chores every day helps you retain a presentable home at all times. Now that's my way of handling it. Do let me know how do you manage your daily chores during the weekends. Here comes my favorite part of the weekend, which I never compromise on. All the previously mentioned chores are important, but the most important to me is making the most of my weekend by spending a lot of family time together. Ashwin gives me a day off from some of my daily parenting duties like giving Rhythm a bath, taking care of Rhythm's tiny study sessions, feeding her, and a lot of other things, while also helping me in the other chores of the house. I feel this is the best way to not miss out on your family time even while working. We binge watch our favorite shows while Rhythm takes a nap, and once she is up, we make sure to have an active play session where sometimes even we end up being kids for a while. Trust me, it's the best way to bond as a family. And always remember to keep your phone aside in order to consciously pay attention and enjoy these moments. These moments may look usual today, but very soon they turn into some beautiful memories for you and your child.
You're welcome.
Time is like sand. It slips off your grip before you even realize. And all you're left with is the cherishable sweet memories. So be mindful of living in the moment while creating memories as a couple and parent.